Hey guys, so Frigidaire start button blinking seems to be the one of the most searched appliance questions on internet. And after looking at the latch switch and replacing the pump and doing all kind of research, finally I found out the actual button, the physical button is not making contact, and it's not the electrical contacts, it's actually the physical contact inside the button. So I don't know how to fix it. um, I'm going to install another push button in parallel, and if we can find a push button in my tools. What self-respecting engineer does not have a push button in his cache of tools, right? These are all the sensors, microprocessors. Dang it, where is my push button? Huh. Nope. Nope. I had a bunch of. Okay, this is a whole panel that I don't want to use. And electricals. I might have to take it out of one of my other projects, which is yeah, I'll have to go and remove it from my pool controller because I'm not using the pool controller anymore. So let's go and check that out. Alright, so I found this push button. I think this is what I'm going to use. It's black, so it should be flush with, it should look good with my control panel, and it might stick a little out, but we'll see. Alright, so here is where the problem is, and the latch switch is fine. I thought it was the latch switch, but let's pull this out. This switch is the start switch, and I checked it with the continuity tester. Nothing happens when you press it, but if I connect these two manually, it starts. So all I need to do is put two wires here and create another switch somewhere over here, because I don't know how to unsolder this. I could try, but it's going to be tricky. So I'll just create another switch somewhere here. Alright, and that's our new start button. There you go, it's working. The black switch I chose was a normally closed button. What I needed was really normally open, so I had a red button that I used. I think this is fine. It's going to be under the cabinet anyway, so who cares. Alright, this was fun.